You wake up, you've slept 7, 8, maybe even 9 hours, and yet your body feels heavy, your mind foggy, your energy nowhere to be found. You thought sleep was supposed to restore you, but why does exhaustion greet you every morning? Millions of people experience this. You're not alone. Waking up tired can make the rest of your day feel like a constant uphill battle. You try coffee, quick breakfast, even a shower, but nothing seems to shake the grogginess. Tonight, we're going to explore why this happens and, more importantly, how to fix it so your mornings can finally feel alive again. Have you ever wondered why sleep sometimes doesn't leave you refreshed, no matter how long you stay in bed? Morning fatigue isn't always a simple matter of not enough sleep. In fact, the quality of sleep often matters more than quantity. Sleep is not a single uniform state, it is a complex rhythm of cycles. Your body goes through light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep multiple times per night, with each cycle lasting roughly 90 minutes. If you wake up in the middle of deep sleep, even after 8 hours, your body can feel groggy, disoriented, and drained. This is called sleep inertia. Think of it like waking a car mid-engine rev. Your body isn't ready to shift into motion. Then there's the circadian rhythm, your internal clock that tells your body when to be alert and when to rest. Disruptions to this rhythm, whether due to inconsistent bedtimes, late-night exposure to artificial light, or irregular schedules, can leave you waking up tired no matter how many hours you sleep. Imagine a college student who sleeps from 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. on weekdays, but from 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. on weekends. Even though they technically sleep enough, their body is constantly adjusting to changing schedules, making mornings feel foggy and energy low. Why do so many of us wake up exhausted? Let's break it down. Irregular sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at different times each day, confuses your circadian rhythm. Even small shifts, like staying up late on weekends, can throw off your internal clock. Poor sleep quality, noise, light, uncomfortable bedding, or underlying sleep disorders like sleep apnea can prevent restorative deep sleep. You may technically sleep for 8 hours, but if your body isn't cycling through proper sleep stages, morning grogginess is inevitable. Stress and anxiety. Your mind may not fully relax at night. Thoughts about work, personal responsibilities, or worries about the future can keep your nervous system on high alert, leaving you restless. Diet and stimulants, late-night caffeine, sugar, or alcohol interferes with the natural sleep cycle, especially deep sleep. Even if you fall asleep, the restorative part of sleep may be shortened. Lack of morning sunlight. Sunlight is the main cue for resetting your circadian clock. Without it, your body may not get the signal to wake up alert, leaving you feeling sluggish in the morning. Morning fatigue is usually not caused by just one factor, it is the combination of several lifestyle and environmental habits over time. Think about someone working late into the night on their laptop. Even if they go to bed at 11 p.m., their brain is still stimulated from screens and tasks. They might sleep 8 hours, but wake up feeling like they barely rested. Your body cycles through light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep multiple times each night. Let's break these down. Light sleep, the stage where your body starts relaxing, heart rate slows, and brain activity decreases. This stage prepares your body for deeper sleep. Deep sleep, the most restorative stage. Growth hormones are released, tissue repairs, and your immune system strengthens. Deep sleep is when your body does the heavy lifting of restoration. REM sleep, dreaming stage. Your brain processes emotions, memories, and problem solving. REM is essential for cognitive function, creativity, and emotional regulation. When you wake in the middle of deep sleep or REM, you experience sleep inertia. That groggy, disoriented feeling isn't a reflection of laziness, it is your brain and body transitioning at the wrong moment. This explains why sometimes you wake up refreshed after 6 hours and other times groggy after 8. Timing is everything. A friend once told me, "I sleep 8 hours and wake up like I've run a marathon." When we tracked her sleep cycles, she was consistently waking in the middle of deep sleep stages. Adjusting her bedtime by just 30 to 45 minutes drastically improved her mornings. Here's what you can do tonight to wake up refreshed. Consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Even weekends matter. Your internal clock thrives on consistency. Wind down routine, 20 to 30 minutes before bed. Engage in calming activities, reading, stretching, meditation. Avoid screens to reduce blue light exposure, which suppresses melatonin, the sleep hormone. Optimize your bedroom. Cool, dark, quiet, and clutter-free. Invest in blackout curtains, white noise machines, or comfortable bedding. Your environment profoundly affects sleep quality. Limit stimulants and alcohol. Avoid caffeine after early afternoon. Alcohol may make you fall asleep faster, but it reduces deep sleep later. Morning sunlight. Within 30 minutes of waking, get outside or sit near a bright window. Sunlight cues your circadian rhythm, signaling your body to wake and produce energy hormones like cortisol. Hydration and nutrition. A glass of water upon waking and a balanced breakfast kickstarts metabolism and energy production. Avoid sugary breakfast foods that spike and crash energy. Mindful evening choices. Reduce screen time, avoid stressful emails, and give yourself a mental shutdown period. Your brain needs a signal that the day is over. One person I know struggled with waking up tired for years. After committing to a consistent bedtime, blackout curtains, and a 10-minute wind-down routine, they noticed their mornings transformed within 2 weeks. Sometimes, morning fatigue isn't just physical, it's psychological. Thoughts, stress, or perfectionism can make you feel drained before the day even begins. Here are some mindset shifts that can help. Start with gratitude. Name one thing you're grateful for immediately after waking. This shifts your brain from negative loops to positive energy. Avoid immediate stressors. Don't check your phone or emails for the first 10 to 15 minutes. Let your mind settle. Micro movements, gentle stretching, or deep breathing signals your body to transition smoothly from sleep to alertness. Visualization. Imagine your day unfolding successfully. This primes your brain for alertness and positive energy. The combination of mindset, environment, and lifestyle creates a powerful foundation for consistent morning energy. There are hidden factors that can prevent you from waking up refreshed. Sleep disorders, sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, or chronic insomnia can silently sabotage your sleep. Stress hormones, chronic cortisol elevation can make it hard to reach deep sleep. Medication side effects. Certain medications interfere with REM or deep sleep. Environmental factors, noise, temperature fluctuations, or light exposure. If you consistently wake up exhausted despite good habits, consider consulting a healthcare professional. Sleep studies or cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia can uncover hidden issues and restore natural energy. Waking up tired doesn't have to be a permanent part of your life. The solution isn't one thing, it's a combination of awareness, lifestyle, mindset, and environment. Track your sleep schedule and cycles. Optimize your bedroom. Reduce stimulants and manage stress. Commit to morning sunlight and mindful routines. Adjust mindset and avoid mental clutter in the morning. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 changes tonight. Notice the difference tomorrow. Consistency compounds. Over time, your body will learn to wake naturally, refreshed and energized. Your mornings don't have to feel like a struggle. By understanding sleep, respecting your circadian rhythm, and creating supportive habits, you can wake up with energy, focus, and clarity. If this video helped, subscribe for more insights into your mind, behavior, and mental clarity. Start tonight. Take one small step and tomorrow morning, feel the difference.